What's up guys, it's your boy Joe Ratchet. I am going to be doing a mukbang today. Today is National Chicken Wing Day. It is currently July 29th. It is a very special day, so I wanted to celebrate and do a mukbang and just do a quick life update, channel update, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's start eating. And while you guys are here, don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's get started with the mukbang. Alright, so today since it's National Chicken Wing Day, of course I had to go in with the Wingstop.
Yes!
Gotta get everything ready. Ooh, got my fries as well. Yes! Surprise under the box. Surprise in the box. This is trouble, but I mean, it's National Chicken Wing Day, so why the fuck not? Lord help me. So just to be all organized and I'm already eating, oh my god. Just to be a little bit more organized, I'm just gonna family style it, you know, get my plate out. But today's flavors, we have lemon pepper, we also have spicy Korean Q, and mango habanero. And the 5 free ones that I decided to get were lemon pepper again, because lemon pepper is that bitch. And aside from that, I also got Louisiana rub, and I love Louisiana rub. Very well underrated. If you guys love Wingstop, and like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just so underrated. Try it out if you're curious. And can't forget the ranch. Ooh, I'm getting so excited. Wingstop for me is not even like a cheat day or anything. It's just like a part of my daily diet. Not daily, but it's a part of my diet. So I'm just gonna grab like a couple of each. And grab some fries. Some fries right here. So, I don't do these mukbangs often, but I guess like now something that I could talk about is being fucking monetized. And it has been amazing to be monetized. We got monetized in June, early June of 2020, and my original 2020 goal was just to reach 1,000 subscribers, and here I am ending July with 1,400 plus. So I'm very, very honored and happy and feeling amazing because I met my goal, and I'm going and reaching it so fast. It's just amazing. Oh shit, that one is spicy. I was eating the spicier Korean Q. Let me do a thumbnail real quick. Chicken wing. Well, I am very excited because it is now the end of June and we are about to start another month. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. We are about to start August, so it is now our fucking like 15th month of quarantine in 2020. I try not to make too many mukbangs because I feel like it's just so boring. I don't really know what to ever say. Like, it's literally just an eating show. I feel like a mess. I want to eat my feelings out, so Wingstop always got me. Wingstop got my back. And it's hot right now. I can't. I'm just eating my feelings because I'm a sad boy. Not really. Just a sad day, not a sad life. So I have something planned that is super big. I am very excited that I'm currently working on. And you guys will stay tuned. I will be letting everyone know out there. Another thing that I am putting out there is a lookbook. I decided to make another lookbook because my 10 Coachella / festival outfit lookbook was super fun. I did that a couple months ago, so I thought that since it's summertime, it felt appropriate and felt fun to do a summer lookbook. So that is on the way. You guys will catch it on the channel soon. Well, I fast forwarded and I ate like 15 wings, and now we are down to our last one right here on the plate. Oh my god, my ring light turned off, bitch. If this bitch don't have any more battery. Hold on. There's a power outage. What the fuck? What the fuck? Just look how ghetto my setup is, y'all. Even though, you know what? It's okay because it's the quality of the content, not the quality of the, you know, production. I'm hella ghetto, hella ratchet. You know me, being Joe Ratchet. Oh, Well, all right, time for the second plate. Really going off with this, but I didn't want to let you guys know how many pieces I got, and actually I will let you guys guess below in the comments, and whoever is the winner, you guys will get something special in my next video. Eventually I will shout you guys out and I will let you guys know what's up. So guess down below how many wings I actually will have by the end of all of this. So take a guess down below. So I actually went to Wingstop twice today. So I went earlier because I wanted to. It was National Chicken Wing Day. I got it, bitches. Happy National Chicken Wing Day. And then a couple hours passed. I decided I wanted to save some of that and order a little bit more. And I'm just like all up on my feels, low-key. And so now I decided to eat my feelings out and make a mukbang for you guys, and just do a little bit of a channel update, let you guys know the next things I'm planning on showing off for you guys. So as you guys know, if you guys are fans of my Drag Race lip sync reaction videos, Drag Race is finally taking a break. So I will only be reacting to Canada's Drag Race for the moment, and I will still be producing content out there, whether it's my 1 second a day videos, you guys can check that out too, or I might be dyeing my hair soon. I'm constantly doing my hair vlog for my year-long vlog, and just lots of projects, and I am very excited to share that. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Very excited to share that all with you guys. If anyone out there wants to do a collaboration, whether it's a photo shoot, video, makeup, or just anything out there, hit your boy up. I am in the Bay Area, you already know, but it's COVID out here, so make sure you guys are still staying safe. Boy, it's hot.
Boy, it's hot.
Boy, it's hot.
Boy, it's hot.
I still owe everyone, all my subscribers out there, a special get to know me 1K subscriber special. I know I am over my count. I'm currently at 1,400 plus, but I still plan on making a spicy noodle mukbang challenge get to know me 1,000 subscribers special video. So that is also on my list that I will get out and put on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. So something that is debatable is drumstick or flat. So pop off in the comments and let me know if you are a drumstick bitch or a flat fuck. But whatever you are, I do not discriminate. I am a born drumstick lover, and eventually I just grew up and fell in love with flats. So I'm a little bit of both, so I don't really judge. I am just a chicken wing lover, so I don't discriminate. Give me a chicken wing, whether it's a flat, whether it's a drumstick, I'm still gonna go in on that bitch. So there's this thing that people say that you could eat the flats all in one bite. So let me go ahead and just give it a little try. This one's a fucking huge one. But you know what? I got a huge mouth. So let's go ahead and just try it. Wish me luck, y'all. It's too big. Not too bad. Probably if I got a little bit of my tongue all up in there, I probably could have got that part, but for the most part, pretty much works. I want you guys to guess how many wings I got in total today for today's Wingstop order. And, well, I did multiple orders, by the way, so keep that in mind. But I will not be finishing everything because I want to have baon, aka like lunch, for tomorrow. Quick Tagalog lesson: baon means that is pretty much it for my mukbang. I want to thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Oh, look at this.